Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs iOS 26 and supports Spatial Wallpaper. Open Settings and navigate to Wallpaper. Tap Create New Wallpaper to begin. Once done, choose whether you want a photo, live photo, or a system image. Make sure to back up the source image to Photos so you can revert if needed. You'll see format options immediately. Select Spatial as the style to unlock depth controls. This gets you into the editing workspace where the real setup begins. You now fine-tune depth and motion to craft a convincing spatial effect. Once the image loads, enable spatial mode and adjust the depth slider until subjects float naturally relative to background. Make sure to change motion strength to balance subtlety against realism. Preview the result by tilting the device. You can pinch to crop, rotate, or reposition to avoid clipped elements. After adjustments, toggle preview for lock screen and home screen to confirm how widgets and icons interact with depth. You're ready to finalize. Tap Set and choose lock screen, home screen, or both, then view your wallpaper in normal use to ensure elements align. Once set, make sure widgets and text remain legible. Reopen Settings Wallpaper to re-edit if anything looks off. If the spatial effect seems broken, try these steps. Restart the device, check for the latest iOS update, or temporarily disable Reduce Motion and Accessibility. That usually restores parallax and depth. If not, reset the wallpaper and start the edit again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.